Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
As a member of Presbyterian Youth Today International Network, we are reaching out to you all to help in supporting our project at Domïasiat, one of the villages in the northeastern part of India, which has been left out and abandoned for so many years. Therefore, let us all join hands together to help the children of this area to be able to get back their rights to education, to attend schools, to rebuild their career, and to dream for the brighter future. Thank you.
Our friends in Jinghikai and the surrounding areas, they all oppose the uranium mining because they understand the ill effects that uranium and radiation has on our health and the health of our future generations. However, it's very sad to know that they don't have a school. They don't have a school in that area. The children there, they deserve to be educated. They deserve to go to school. They deserve to have a healthy, growing environment like any one of us, which as of now, that is just a dream. We can all contribute in whatever way we can into helping each and every kid in Jinghikai and the surrounding areas achieve their dreams. Thank you.
As a young pastor of the church, I, along with our group members, Presbyterian Youth Today, would like to appeal to you, my dear friends, and also to our church leaders to stretch out your generous hands to these unprivileged children and help bring smile to their faces. We as a group are taking up this step in rebuilding the school at Domïasiat. I know that your contribution will bring joy, happiness, and will especially brighten the future of those kids at Domïasiat. I know that we all wish for a better tomorrow, so let us start it today. Let us give in whatever way we can for a good cause. The Bible has promised us, give and it shall be given unto you. Thank you so much for listening and also for contributing. May God bless you all.
Dia kamu samla upalang udukot jangka Presbyterian Youth Today. Aku akan bawa kini kecikun dua kibarok kibe bayi ini video. Bapinya join nang bani baninya peni bisa, baninya senalang, ya ke spiriti lindo langrin orang school hang teh Domïasiat. Yang ayah kendu imi spiriti nungkong do hal arajarsan itu kebuat anak lab research PhD agak London School of Economics. Ya ke Jinghikai jangka tu ke Jinghikai wat di West Castle Hills. Tang ayah kenduru pengadap collect data ia arajan real, ayah dalam bat ia arajan yo, agak buat bagian ketua public hearing, apa dolen, PIBY yang in kuat di kedua. Mereka jom susi kalau dia kepada kalau sarkar kita benua LP school kepada Domïasiat kita Kemru Jinghikai belum lindo, yang ketua time kon kong jeng eligibility bat kumta school kita dono. Mereka tongjeng ni kalau bat national yang school. Bakam he kan long shisha da English medium school kat kum ke jingkuat jadi ye dengan ya kendo yo i shaga in club bang abu smai ai bang nok tilang bang dan kat ko ni ti xio jo i ha ka tu da ka shnai ke school kan bang ai ke Jinghikai yang ya ki samla jong kari ki bang dai ki chat bin ri dai ke ni mariam jing nam ti club ti ki basilan bang thung di jingrat di babiang tang tak ni ngakwa pupin jing pi lei undon ka pi baro so ha kan mau ni Jinghikai jo me eligibility but like not show lei.
A great man, Nelson Mandela, once said, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." Let us all join hands together, wherever you are, by contributing as little as you can towards the construction of the school, and hoping that one day a child in that village will receive a quality education and become someone great in this world. Thank you.
Kumto mapili yagi bantagi bakang skmat jongga video. Katno kala panlung yaga mansem jong ilang baro. Nagaling juga Presbyterian youth today. Kumbangila don kajing temo berkajing agnut nado wa beningkong. Kumtaro hadu kan negapor idon kata kajing agnut pantelun no hamstet yaga nega kam bantai yaga nega jing Skul ha Domïasiat. Kumu charman juga Presbyterian youth today. International network. Nakarpat ya baro ki parado ki parasnam bade don banta ya ban ai ya ki jingyo sendang ke jong pi lang bagi kti ke jong pi bai ban pantelun ya ne kam lang ba ka jingno senjang ke jong pi kan no ka jinggerku na ka banta ginong song sinong jong kan ne ka sinong nyen sanang ye update but yai pentip na ka banta ka jing telun jong ka kam sengabhaban kontak syangi na kidon kino ki bakwa ban yo jing sai shu na ka banta kanega kam lengba ki kontak number kepadon haganega video kublai shibon badu blem garku ya pi baro